Hey there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the world of unique and unusual plants that you can grow in October. As temperatures cool down and leaves change, it's the perfect time to plant some extraordinary varieties that will not only survive the season, but also add a touch of the exotic to your garden. Let's get started. First up, we have the Saffron Crocus. This plant is not only stunning with its purple flowers but also gives you the chance to harvest your own saffron. Growing saffron might seem daunting, but it's surprisingly simple. Plant these bulbs in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight, and you'll see flowers in just a few weeks. Harvest the vibrant red stigmas, and you'll have your very own homegrown saffron for culinary adventures. Planting tip: plant the bulbs about 3 inches deep and space them 4 inches apart. They thrive in zones 6 to 9 and are perfect for container gardening too. Next, let's talk about the purple dragon carrot. This carrot variety is not only rich in antioxidants but also adds a pop of color to your garden. Its deep purple skin and bright orange core are perfect for unique salads and soups. Plant the seeds directly into the ground in October, and you'll be harvesting these beauties in early winter. Planting tip: sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist until germination. Purple dragon carrots love loose, sandy soil for easy growth. If you're up for a challenge, try growing wasabi. This unusual plant is a staple in Japanese cuisine and is known for its spicy, aromatic roots. Wasabi prefers cool, moist conditions, making October an ideal time to plant it if you have a shaded area in your garden. It takes patience, up to 18 months to mature, but the reward is worth it. Planting tip: keep wasabi in a spot that receives filtered sunlight and plant it in rich, well-drained soil. It's best suited for zones 8 to 10. Black radish, also known as Raphanus sativus nigra. Another interesting plant for October is the black radish. Unlike your typical radish, these have a spicy, robust flavor and a striking black skin that contrasts beautifully with their white flesh. They are perfect for adding a unique twist to your salads or pickling. Plant them now, and they'll be ready to harvest by late fall. Here's a planting tip: sow seeds directly into the soil about 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart. They do well in cooler weather and mature in just 30 to 40 days. Chinese Pink Celery, also known as Apium graveolens. Looking for a pop of color in your garden? Try Chinese Pink Celery. This heirloom variety boasts beautiful pink stalks and a slightly sweeter flavor compared to regular celery. It's cold tolerant, making it an excellent choice for planting in October. Plus, it's sure to be a conversation starter at your dinner table. Planting tip: sow seeds indoors and transplant them into the garden when they have 2 to 3 true leaves. They thrive in rich, well-drained soil and enjoy consistent moisture. Blue kale, scientifically known as Brassica oleracea lacinato blue. Let's add some cool colors to our fall garden with blue kale. This stunning variety has a bluish tint to its leaves, adding a unique twist to your typical green kale. It's super cold hardy, which means it thrives even when temperatures drop. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, making it a healthy and beautiful addition to your garden. Planting tip: plant seeds directly in the ground or in containers about 1/2 inch deep. Blue kale loves full sun but can tolerate some shade in warmer climates. Walking stick kale, also known as Brassica oleracea var. palmifolia. Finally, let's take a look at the walking stick kale. This unique kale variety can grow up to 6 to 10 feet tall with a thick stem that can eventually be used as a walking stick, hence the name. It's a great choice for adding some vertical interest to your October garden, and the leaves are delicious and tender when harvested young. Planting tip: plant seeds in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Make sure to give it plenty of space to grow tall. It thrives in cool weather and can be harvested throughout the winter. And there you have it, 7 unique and unusual plants that you can grow in October. Whether you're looking for something colorful, edible, or just downright different, these plants are sure to make your garden stand out this season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing.